blender. So now we're going to open it. That's the funnest part ever. That's my favorite. So this. And we got this. Yay! Oh, this is a lot of boxes to open. We got instructions and place them here. And we have to open this door. This is trash. I put the trash there. And we have pieces. That's a lot. So I put the pieces right there too. These are some pieces. And friends, this is so glass. So to put this down, you can use this in a blender. You can blend things with it. So now let me get the other part out. Oh, there's more trash in here. This is stuck. I got it. This is really big. Whoa, this is so big. That's the stick. The stick has to go right there. And we got, this is the heavy part. We have to take this. We have to take the whole box now. This is the wire. I have to take this out. This is not easy. Thing. It's not. Friends, you can make a lot of things. Let me read them to you. You can make ice cream. You can make soup. Ice cream. We can make soup. We can make nut butter. We can make flour. We can make extra drink. Track. You can make puree. You can make frozen drink. You can make smoothie. You can make clips, trousers. Friends, and like I show how it. This is the front side, and this is how it looks with the lid closed. You use this stick to push these things down. To open that, to do that, this is the handle and this is where you push it from. And this is you open this and push it. And see all that going down, you push. And there's lots of, this is the coolest thing ever we had. This is the wire, don't forget that. Everyone knows that. Now friends, now I'm going to read these, I'm going to look at these instructions. Let me look at these instructions. Let me look at the book first. Look, you can these are, I read these things to you. You remember I read these to you? And this is about this is about this machine. This machine, something cool about it. It's on YouTube. And it's on Facebook. And friends, now this is a lot pages, so we're going to just be done with that. And these are to build it. You got that. We did that. We have that. We have this. We have that. We have that. And we attach that. And friends, this now you see these, and that's your machine. And this is the last. This is the last book. This is also a book. So I'm going to show you the pictures. It's about it. These things are about that. This is a lot of things, right? And look, our pieces. So I all have these pieces. I have these pieces. And friends, you can buy this on Amazon or Best Buy. And I want to make a banana smoothie. I'll go get this. And friends, this is all the options you can get. And this is the starting button. This is stop when you are done. This is when you're on. Oh, got it? And these are so big. You can get it. It's the biggest one. You can like use it for blending, and you will love this one the best. It's come with a lot of pieces, and it was so easy to build. I don't even have to look at the instructions how to build. It's so easy to build in any of them. I had 2 more blenders, but this is the easiest one. This is so cooler than them. So bye friends. I hope you like my channel. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Bye.